Hey everyone, today I want to talk about something that's been really on my mind lately: Uber's lawsuit against fraudulent activities within New York's no-fault insurance system.
It's a big deal, and it really sheds light on some serious issues affecting both consumers and the insurance industry as a whole. So, let's dive into it. So, first off, what's the no-fault insurance system? Well, in New York, this system is supposed to make it easier for livery vehicle drivers and passengers to get reimbursed quickly for medical expenses and lost wages after an accident.
Sounds good, right? The coverage limit is $200,000, which is intended to cover a lot. But that's where things get complicated.
Uber is claiming that there's a whole network of professionals like doctors, lawyers, and specialists who are, basically orchestrating car crashes and unnecessary medical treatments just to cash in on these insurance payouts.
Can you imagine? This kind of fraud not only harms Uber and other companies in the game, but it really hits passengers hard too. It's just wild how some people are willing to exploit a system meant to help others.
And let's talk about the financial impact on insurance companies. According to the Coalition Against Insurance Fraud, the losses due to fraud are staggering.
Just think about it. American Transit Insurance Co., for example, has faced some serious struggles because of these fraudulent claims. It's not just about the money, it's about the trust that gets eroded in the entire insurance market in New York.
Now, there's a proposed bill by Caramel de la Rosa that would reduce personal injury protection, or PIP coverage, from $200,000 to $50,000.
This has sparked a lot of debate. Some people think it's a necessary step to combat fraud, while others worrying it'll leave accident victims high and dry.
It's a tough situation, and you can see how this could really change the landscape of insurance fraud. Honestly, reflecting on all this makes me feel a bit overwhelmed. It's frustrating to think about how people can exploit a system that's designed to be supportive. And it really makes you consider your own actions and behaviors. Are we doing enough to advocate for fairness in these situations? Are we staying informed? So here's the takeaway. We need to be aware of what's happening in the insurance world and how it impacts us as consumers.
It's a call to action for all of us to stay informed, to engage in conversations about these issues, and to advocate for fair practices in insurance coverage.
And before I wrap this up, I just want to say, even in this really heavy topic, there's a silver lining. It's a reminder to be grateful for the systems that are in place to protect us, even if they're flawed. We can always find ways to improve them, and that's something to be hopeful about. So if you found this video helpful or thought-provoking, please subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this whole situation.
Thanks for tuning in, and let's keep this conversation going.